Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled What is AI? Understanding the basics with real-world examples. Imagine teaching a computer to think like a human. That's essentially AI. Instead of explicitly programming every action, we provide data and let the computer learn patterns and make decisions. Think of it like training a dog with treats, rewarding good behavior, correct answers, and discouraging bad behavior, incorrect answers. Traditional programming is like following a strict recipe. Input right pointing arrow, specific instructions, right pointing arrow output. AI is more like giving a chef ingredients and letting them create a dish based on their knowledge and experience. The output might vary slightly each time, but it should still be delicious. Accurate. Machine learning, ML, is a subset of AI where computers learn from data without explicit programming. Imagine a program that learns to identify cats in pictures by looking at thousands of cat pictures. The more pictures it sees, the better it gets at recognizing cats. This is how ML models improve their accuracy. Your email spam filter uses ML. It analyzes emails, learning to identify patterns associated with spam, certain words, sender addresses, etc. Over time, it becomes better at separating spam from legitimate emails. As a developer, you'd work with algorithms and datasets to improve its accuracy. Netflix or Amazon recommendations are powered by AI. These systems analyze your viewing, buying history and suggest similar items. Developers build these systems using algorithms that learn your preferences from your data interactions. Self-driving cars use AI to process sensor data, cameras, radar, lidar, to navigate roads. Developers create algorithms to allow the car to make decisions such as steering, braking, and accelerating based on what the AI sees and interprets. There are different types of AI, including narrow AI, designed for a specific task, like playing chess, general AI, hypothetical, human-level intelligence, and super AI, even more powerful than human intelligence. We will primarily focus on narrow AI in this series. You don't need a PhD to start learning AI. There are many online resources, libraries, like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and courses available. Start with the basics, practice with small projects, and build from there. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.